Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and today you are watching harisystems. So if you are watching first time this video channel, please do subscribe and support us. Today we are learning, will ChatGPT write a code for me? Is it true? Let's see. I am also very much interested in this question. Just I am trying to asking ChatGPT to write a simple query. I'll ask like a binary search algorithm in Python language. We'll try to ask this ChatGPT. Wow, here is simple implementation of binary algorithm in Python. It's writing. So what you need to know? Very interestingly, you should know the basic how to write and how to implement Python language or any other programming language. If you know the basics perfectly using ChatGPT, you should try to make it master in this area. Why don't you try today? Thank you.